reminders or payment reminders you can just set up from free agent. You just go to your contacts first of all, and I have just created one contact, and you just go to edit, and you can just go down and you can see that use contact level settings, email settings. You just click create new invoice email, right? So it has already created, so that's from your company, and then that's the bill to whatever email you want to. So um, I can say robinhood at gmail.com, whatever email it is, and then you can say that subject is invoice, and you can add the name of the invoice 001, or you can say invoice for a particular task, whatever subject you want to have. And then you can say with hi, and the contact name could be, if you're dealing with Robin, that's the person you're dealing with in accounts payable department of their company, and that's already there. And you can say save this as template or add anything. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you have any questions or whatever. Add whatever you want to add, and you can just use the whatever italics and stuff like that, whatever you want to use. Save this as new invoice template, and it has been successfully saved. Let's go to another one, invoice reminders. Click this invoice reminder, and you can say send the first reminder after 30 days, because we have invoice on credit terms for 60 days, so we need to send the reminder after the first 30 days, for example. And or you can say 30 days after the invoice due date, or whatever the first reminder, and or before the invoice, 30 days before the invoice due date, whatever you want to ask. And you can email the copy to sender, so you will also have the copy of the email you're sending, and that's the two, whoever wants to send email, the subject and the name. So you can just fill this out. For example, it's Robin, or whatever is the name of the person you're dealing with. Create invoice reminder, right? And then the next one is invoice thank you. So that's another one as well. So you can also email a copy to sender. That's handy if you want to. So it creates thank you for your payment for invoice number, whatever reference number, 001 or whatever is reference number on the invoice. You can have a look. And then the contact name could be the Robin, and also we have received full payment. It's a good gesture, and for invoice 001, and then save that as well and send that. And then the new estimate, it also has a template. If you want to use the template, you can just have from that in estimate of reference, whatever you're talking about, and it's also attached files and everything, and then you can just say that, and you can save the template. Okay, and so you can do all these things, so that's brilliant.